the brightness of Zion's glad morning, joy to the lands that in darkness have lain.
Hushed be the accents of sorrow and mourning. Zion in triumph begins her glad reign.
Hail to the brightness of Zion's glad morning, long by the prophets of Israel foretold. Hail to the million